Hey guys, it's day 67 of my Binance Alpha volume trading. The last 7 days in December have been pretty straightforward. ARTX was pretty stable and I could find equilibrium order book several times in a day. I even had the luxury of recording my trades for you to see reverse limit orders in action, but not today. Today's price action is one of the most chaotic I have seen in the last 2 months. There was no space for stability for even 1 minute, so I had to use sniper entries in as fast as 6 to 10 seconds to get in and get out, while the price stability was a bit manageable. In fact, I had to reduce my margin per trade to $100 instead of $250 as I was using before. This shows you how volatile it was and how I reduced my risk appetite so that I could be less affected by the price volatility. For context, it took me 5 hours and over 320 trades to achieve my volume target for today. I had to keep my eyes glued to the chart for at least 4 hours, 30 minutes of those 5 hours, and I took a nap for about 30 minutes because at some point I got tired of looking at the chart because I had to wait for the perfect moment to get in and get out with my reverse limit orders. In all of this, Alpha 123's volatility checker has been a lifesaver. Without it, I wouldn't have been able to get the best time to get in and out with my reverse limit orders. So if you're trading Binance Alpha, make sure you are using the volatility checker to find the best time to trade. If you want to know how I use this, check out my full guide. You'll find the link to the video in the comments. At the end of the day, I was happy because not only did I achieve my volume target, even if it took me 5 hours to do that, but I spent half of what I usually spend on a good day. So with my strategy, it cost me only $1.50 to achieve a 65.6k volume for 16 points. A very good day in the end, even though it was chaotic. And I'm happy I scaled through with the upper hand. If you want to learn my complete Binance Alpha strategy, including how I find the best tokens to trade, the best time to trade them, how I minimize my portfolio risk and trading fees, check out my Binance Alpha complete guide. You will find the video on my channel. You will also find the link to the video in the comments. If you're a newbie looking to get started on Binance Alpha, this video will provide you with everything you need to know about Binance Alpha volume trading and get you up and running immediately. If you have any questions about my strategy or Binance Alpha, let me know in the comments. There has been no airdrop event since last week Friday, and I'm hoping we'll have a claim today and it is worth it. And I also hope I meet the points threshold for the claim. So that's it for today. Stay safe and I'll see you on day 68.